everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update your Android device to the latest version in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So guys, if you also have an Android phone and you want to update the latest it to the latest version, that's quite simple, easy and interesting. And a lot of people do not know that how to update their Android, how they can get the latest patch updates or get the latest Android version. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So first of all, you will have to tap on settings of your phone, and then you'll have to scroll down a bit, or you can simply tap on the magnifier on the top right to search, and then search for update. Now once you've searched it, you'll find an option of system update. Tap on it, and basically it will take some time to load if you haven't updated your Android from the past uh, 2 or 3 months. And then it will show you that following updates are upcoming, or you can update. So when you will tap on that update, it will take some time and your Android will restart and it will be basically updated to the latest version. So that's how you can easily update your Android device to the latest version. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.